Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Rohit's Foodspot. In this episode, we will be making pasta al forno or baked pasta. The ingredients for this recipe are penne pasta, bell peppers, broccoli, black olives, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, water, tomato puree, salt, pepper, Italian herbs, basil, chili flakes, milk, and 2 types of cheese. To start off, we're going to prepare our vegetables. To do this, we will take our bell peppers, remove the core and any white parts on the inside. Then, cut the peppers into large squares. For the broccoli, remove the amount of broccoli that you want from the head, then separate into manageable pieces. Finally, slice the cherry tomatoes into halves. The next step you want to do is preheat your oven. Set it for half an hour, and in that half an hour, set the oven to 210 degrees Celsius, and preferably keep it with the fan on so that the air circulates and heats up faster. In one of the pans, you want to add some tomato puree and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Then you want to season using salt, pepper, Italian herbs, basil, nutmeg, and chili flakes. You then want to add milk and water in a 1:1 ratio until the sauce is thinner and has a larger volume than desired. The sauce will thicken and evaporate as it cooks. Stir occasionally. Once the water has boiled, add in salt until it's as salty as the sea. Once the salted water has boiled, add in your pasta and keep stirring until it's 1 or 2 minutes shy of what it says on the box. The pasta will finish cooking in the sauce in the oven. While the sauce and the pasta are cooking, we want to cook the vegetables. Add the broccoli to the pan and toss around for 30 seconds. Then add a lid to the pan and let it steam in its own juices. Once the broccoli starts to pick up a little bit of color, you want to add the capsicum. Toss it around for about another 30 seconds and let it sit. Once the bell peppers begin to develop some color, add in the cherry tomatoes cut side down and then toss a little bit to combine. After about 1 minute, the cherry tomatoes should be fine, and then add in a little bit of olives, black olives. You want to toss those around and then season it using the same seasonings which you used for the sauce.